welcome back to my Exit the Game Advent Calendar and Missing Hollywood Star. What am I solving today? I believe today is day 20, which is exciting. You know, I feel like every couple puzzles I get on a roll, I do really well, and then every few puzzles I've got like a tough one that stumps me for a little bit, and that's okay. We are getting close to the end though. And with that, day 20. With a tune in your head, you open the next door. You are faced with another backdrop that immediately looks familiar, despite the fact most of the room is taken up by an expansive green screen. The small, rustic wooden bench on a low paved pedestal is so distinctive. A mannequin of a suited man sits on it as if patiently waiting for a bus. Next to him on the floor is an old suitcase, and on his knees sits a box of chocolates. Somehow the set smells like old sneakers. Gross. A light breeze touches your face and you notice a little white feather dancing through the air, finally landing gracefully on the ground. Now open door 20. Behind you will find 2 riddle cards, P1 and P2. Nothing on the back. Now here's the thing. I've pointed out that there are feathers on a lot of doors. All right. 20. And of course, it is Forrest Gump. We do have P1 and P2. Green screen. A bunch of feathers. That's about it. Bunch of feathers. All right. We have, so for P1, we do in fact have a box of chocolates. Very nice. And then P2, why were we given a box of chocolates? Follow the feather back to where its flight began. On the way, discover what was eaten by the man. And so it shows you, if it shows this, you go 1, 2. Where it began, I mean, is this where it began? Or is day 1 where it began? I'm going to say we start here. Follow the feather back to where its flight began. Okay. I'm going to write this down as we go. I've got B and 2 to the right, which matches this very first symbol. One, 2, L, and a 3. 1, 2, 3, U, down 2, 1, 2, E, 1, in, 3 to the left, 1, 2, 3, U, 1 up, we have a T, 2 to the right, 1, 2, H, 1 to the right, E, 2 down, 1, 2, A, 2 to the left, 1, 2, R, 1 up, which is a T, and there are no more arrows, which means we are done. The answer says blue nut heart. I mean, this is a blue heart. but it doesn't have a nut. One, two, three, four. Four blue. How many nuts? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 nuts. How many hearts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think those are our numbers. So again, 4 blue. How many nuts? 1, 2, 3, 4. And how many hearts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's try that. 4, 4, 5 gives us up left, up right, up should be moon star moon, which it is. And we have solved day 20. See, I'm learning. Don't get too pumped because I can solve a few and then it gets tough again. But that for tomorrow.